Scientists can replace hearts and joints, so why not the retina? Why is restoring vision one of medicine's hardest challenges? Most people assume the eye is just another organ that should be reparable like any other. It's small, accessible, and studied in detail. But what science has revealed is surprising. The retina isn't ordinary tissue at all. It's part of the brain. The retina doesn't just sense light. It processes information before the brain ever sees it, detecting edges, motion, brightness, and contrast. Each retinal cell has a precise job and a precise place, like musicians in an orchestra. If some players disappear, the music doesn't just get quieter, it changes entirely. This is why the retina is so hard to repair. Most tissues in the body can heal or regenerate to some extent. Skin grows back. Bones mend. But retinal nerve cells are designed to last a lifetime. Once they die, the body doesn't know how to rebuild that incredibly fine wiring. Retinitis pigmentosa makes this even more complex. RP isn't caused by injury or aging, it's genetic and progressive. Different retinal cells are lost over time, often starting with night and side vision. As this happens, the retinal environment itself changes. So repairing RP isn't just about replacing cells, it's about rebuilding a system that's been slowly reshaped. This is where stem cells come in. They offer real promise, because they can become retinal cells. But they also face major challenges. New cells must survive, mature correctly, connect to existing networks, and communicate with the brain. That's not simple replacement, it's integration. For people living with RP, this research matters because vision loss affects independence, safety, and daily confidence. Even modest improvements, better light perception or wider awareness, could make everyday life easier. There are still limits. Scientists don't yet have all the answers, and progress takes time. But each study brings clearer understanding. In the next video, we'll look at why protecting remaining retinal cells may be just as important as trying to replace the ones already lost.